Hi there, my name's Kathlena. They call me the Allergy Chef. I personally have over 200 food allergies and intolerances. I'm contact and airborne allergic, and I can't drink most water. The Nutri-Milk has been a huge part of, honestly, conquering the kitchen. There was a point where I was given 30 days to live because my condition was so bad. And after recovering, we just changed how we did things quite a bit. Day in, day out, I work really hard to make sure that people, no matter what their dietary restrictions are, have food that's safe and delicious to eat. I love to say, I'm out to change the world one bite at a time. What inspires me to do what I do each and every day, quite frankly, it's the thought of children that have never had chicken cordon bleu or have never had a pancake or a birthday cake. There's so many kids who show up never having had any form of cake before who eat our product and they're just like blown away. Like, is this what everybody's been talking about? It's seeing the looks on their faces. It's knowing that you've touched their life, quite frankly, for forever, because you've given them the ability to be normal. And I'll tell you, the moment I saw the Nutri-Milk, I knew, just in that moment, the entire lives of people with severe life-threatening food allergies would be completely changed forever. I don't know if you've ever made like a plant-based milk with a nut milk bag. You can totally do it, but there are some types of products such as tiger nuts that are incredibly hard, and the Nutri-Milk makes it so much easier to process. I love the Nutri-Milk and everything that it does.